Hi, it's Jocelyn, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. Today we are at one of our listings in Fair Lawn, New Jersey, and we are closing this week on this property that I cannot wait to tell you the success story that our client had. So we put the home on the market and we wanted to ask for a little bit more money than we should. So we weren't getting any offers. We had a lot of activity, but then we reduced it to go a little bit under fair market value and ended up getting 5 offers, and it ended up selling back to where we originally started. It had over 13,000 online views, 50 people through the open house, and tons of showings. I am so excited for these sellers and buyers because we're helping them too. And this can be done for you. So if you have a home in the Fair Lawn, New Jersey area, it is in high demand. We have tons of buyers that lost out on this home, but they're still looking for a home in the area. If you or someone you know are looking to make a move, please contact us today. We would love to help them and get them the same success story. We'll talk to you soon, and remember, who you work with matters. Have a great day.